Welcome to the 23 Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is number 23 Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Ahly 0. It's a CAF Champions League first semi-final. My brother, how's it?
Good on yourself, Nobo.
Good, thank you. Your take on the game today?
Yeah, today's game was very difficult for us. I think we didn't even have a shot at goal. But the reason beyond that was to say Ahly closed the middle of the field.
Yeah.
And wanted us to go to the wings. And we didn't bring an out-and-out winger today. Games like this, sometimes you need to give our young players an opportunity to play, like Kurisang and Letago, to use their pace in terms of attacking Ahly and to hit them where they don't expect us to do.
Exactly. Yeah.
I think Coach Cardoso gave Ahly too much respect. We were playing with only midfielders. We were only playing with only creative midfielders.
Exactly. Yeah.
And the way we were attacking, we were very slow to break through the defense line of Ahly.
Yeah.
So sometimes you need to bring a different variety of different players that we have. Should we bring Letago or Kurisang?
Yeah.
We're going to be more effective, especially they are an out-and-out wingers.
Exactly. Yeah.
So sometimes you need to outrun them. How Pirate defeated them in the group stage?
Yeah.
They were using wingers to attack them because they are very compact in the middle field.
Yeah.
Hence we struggled to break them through. But it was a good thing to introduce Zwani. He was able to show that to open up spaces, to create spaces.
Yeah.
Ribeiro was not himself today, but days don't step the same. Sometimes coach need to take risk and when it's not working, try another player to see if how can we do with this particular different player. I believe, I always say that all Sundowns players are important.
Exactly. Yeah.
And even our young players need to get opportunity in games like this.
Yeah.
Maybe they will have a different answer. Yeah, that's basically what I can say, Nobo.
Yeah.
At least we didn't concede today, but as I'm saying, we didn't show any threat to score goals. I want to be honest.
Yeah, no shot on target and all that. Yeah.
So sometimes games like this they separate men from boys. In the stage like this, Ahly showed their caliber, their experience.
Yeah.
They played well. I hope we make a corrections and we go all out even in Cairo.
And what? Talking about corrections, what corrections are those? I hear you saying you want your young players and all that. What other things that your coach should do going forward there? Because other fans, they say you only need a draw with goals and all that. But going to Egypt, you know, is going to be very tough for you.
We cannot rely on a draw, Novo. We cannot rely on defending.
Yeah.
Hence I said earlier on, if you check our bench, we didn't have an out-and-out winger on the day.
Yeah.
That is why sometimes when you are trying to penetrate from the middle and you don't find a go through, we're not going through that. We must try another option of attacking, which is wingers. So that's one thing that our coach needs to look at it and try to bring 2 or 3 wingers on the day so that we are able to have a variety of attack.
Beautiful.
In the future.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Thank you, my brother.
All the best in the second round.
All the best, my brother.
Hola.
Chop.
Chop.